So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. And then on the 4th time you turn your computer on, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. Now once we're here, I'm going to show you 2 different methods that you can try. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Prepare. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It should then boot you back into Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem. If that did not work, then you want to click on Advanced Options. For the second method, you want to come back into this screen. Now you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once we're here, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootsect /nt60 sys and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on Enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec /rebuild BCD. Click on Enter. Just wait for this. Next, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you want to type in chkdsk c:/f/r and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, close out of this, continue to Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.